Most people around here is chasing deer. I'm still chasing that fall bite, man. We're out here in beautiful Indiana. It's God country, y'all. Yes, sir. My home road right here. This is my home stretch. Look at the little baby bull. What's up, little fella? Look at them little guys. Made it down here. We got some deeper water we're fishing today. Water's getting colder, so I was thinking maybe hit some of these deeper pockets up. Still got the buzzbait tied on, but I think there's a good chance I might fish a jig down through here today. See if we can't catch a bigger one sitting deep. Hey, first bite of the day. We'll take it. We will take it. Very, very cold fall bass right here. Quarter pounder with cheese. See you, bud. He cranked that little Buzz King. These little tiny buzz baits like this. I believe they're KVD Strike King. I mean, they're $2.50. You can afford to bang them up, lose them. I'll polish the blades and put holes in them. I haven't done it to this one yet. I pulled this one fresh out of the pack. That was cool. Yeah. Way to be, little spot. My little spotted friend. Check you out. Man. Let's compare you to the bait I'm using. Thanks for coming out to play, buddy. You're a champ. You're a true champ. See you, man. Went right back underneath there. I caught that fish right there underneath that stump. That was awesome. You know I ain't gonna catch another one out of there though. But you seen how y'all seen the size of that fish. Oh, there's another one. There's a little buddy in there. Check him out. He's a little bigger. Oh, man, I touched him. He was quite a bit bigger than that other one too. All right, we'll leave him alone. Anytime I find a little stump or something like that, I always cast there. You would never think there'd be a fish there, but guess what? You can't see under there. It's where they want to be. Still plenty of water for them, and it's moving. They love moving water. No, I lied. I said the water wasn't moving. It is moving a little bit. You can see we still got some action. Not much. The leaves are really clogging it up and making like a dam. So yeah. Good fish. He flopped right up on the bank. I didn't even do that. What? Right out there in that little hole. It's a 2-pounder. Easy. Check this beautiful fish out, man. Bright green buzzbait right in the mouth, and this is a tank. Every bit of 2. Caught in some very shallow riffles on a buzzbait. That hook out. Man, she's a beaut. Let's get her back in the water, y'all. See you, girl. She was ready. Let's go. All right, fish number 4, chunky smallmouth bass. All on the buzzbait. Tried to crankbait for a little bit, nothing. So I'm gonna stick with the buzzbait. Keep popping through these holes, guys. Check this out. Right there is where I caught that fish. Look at that water. Look how deep it is. Right there. We're gonna keep plugging away. Appreciate y'all watching, man. Don't ever forget to hit that thumbs up. Share your boy out, y'all. Come on, Buzzaroonie. You can't let me down. You're the only one I got. It's not spinning. Huh. It's going sideways like a mug. Oh, that's why. No, I know why it's running sideways. Look at it. Maybe if I bend that frame, or that needs to be straight. See if that makes a difference. Yep, popped it right back up on the water. It's running straight now too. I need to start paying attention to them because a lot of them come bent out of the box. This one, the whole time I've had it, kind of run sideways. Way better than it was. Straight now. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I seen him coming. Caught me by surprise, man. I seen him coming. I didn't think he was going to hit it that fast. Might have been a different one. I caught some really nice fish out of this little pocket of water. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's all kinds of fish just took off. That goes to show, man, they can see you from a good ways away. That's why I whisper a lot. There he is. Boat flip, get over here. Oh, he came off last second too. Came off on the boat flip, but guess what? Landed. Solid pound, 1.3. And I seen bigger out there. Just now take off. Make sure you don't snitch us out, bro. Man, you're beautiful. Bass torpedo in 3, 2, oh. Oh, I need to help him. Come here, buddy. You're gonna mess yourself up. It's alright, dog. Alright, let's try this again. Lift off. Good times though, boys. Spook. There's some good fish in that little pocket. I bet you the deepest part's in the deep. On to the next. You see how far I'm casting from these holes. I'm definitely keeping my distance for a reason. These guys are smart. Them ones back there seem to be coming from a good ways away. Not to mention I sound like a herd of cattle walking. And these holes are dried up. Like I'm normally catch fish out of a hole like this, but it's too shallow. Guys, this is usually underwater. You can see the creek bank's right there. It's normally up here. To say we need some rain is an understatement. Man, I don't want to walk over there. I gotta retie anyway, so. All right, we had some frayage going on. All good now, super smooth. BUZZBAIT's bent the way it's supposed to be. Let's try to finish the night off strong. I definitely like that moving water, so if I can find anywhere that has some moving water, that's where I'm gonna have my luck. They don't really mind the shallow water right now, but they definitely like for it to be moving, is what I've found out from today. They are very dark. Check that guy out. Guys, don't mind my grindy ass reel. It's been through a lot. It's a little rough on the edges, but it still gets the job done. Hey, at least we got some white bubbles here. Who knows? Could be something chilling right here. I don't know why it would be. Too damn shallow. We got a nice little hole coming up. From what I remember, it's not deep, but this is what I've been catching fish out of, little pockets like this. Here we go. Oh, he spit it. Ah, I tried to pull him over that rock. Damn it, y'all. It's a decent bass. I tried to pull him over top of that rock. Uh-oh. Oh, you should have seen the wake. You should have seen the wake. But you didn't. Oh man, good fish. Good fish. I have caught some quality fish today, man, on this bright green buzzbait. I've been catching these regularly today. Man, check out that smallmouth. I didn't bring my tripod, so it's kind of tough to get it in the frame, man. See you. Ah, these fish are so fun to catch. So addicting. Ready? Ready? 1, 2. He broke me. How? He's gonna come up and throw that bait. Either that or it's laying out there. I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna get that bait back. Unless it's sunk real good in his mouth, you'd think he'd come up and try to spit it. I sure blew this hole. Wow. There it is. I knew I'd find it. Let's see if I can take my pole tip and hook it. Bingo. Alright, we're rigged back up. That was weird because it broke probably that far above the knot, just barely above the knot. But it wasn't the knot. It's odd. Anyway, pocket. There it is. It's a good one too, boys. Chunky. Thick, man. These guys are eating that as a football. Look at the build on that fish. Just a chunk of a smallmouth. Wow. Kicked on the headlamp here. Beautiful smallmouth bass. What a topwater bite. See you, girl. Another one. Oh, that's a good one too. Jeez, oh, that's the one I just caught's twin. Man, buzzbait putting in work. This one's not quite as wide, but it's a girth to it, man. All right, she's ready to go. All right, and the reason I walked the creek bank the whole way back instead of the road, I had to pick my Red Bull can up. Just don't ever litter, y'all. And on that note, I'm out of here. Appreciate y'all watching. And I'll catch y'all next time, man.